Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this look that was shown on Selena Gomez. It was done by makeup artist Vango, and it was for the campaign of the new shadow sticks and gel eyeliners that she came out with on Rare Beauty. It's such a simple but really cool graphic eyeliner look. I really wanted to recreate it, and it did turn out to be harder than it looked, than I expected. It kicked my butt a little bit to do, but it came out. Here's the final look, and if you want to see how I created it, my process, then keep on watching. Alright, so just like we did in our past videos, I'm gonna speed through our base. I'm doing my same process for foundation, concealer, and powder, so that's what I'm doing here. Just make sure we're really nice and contoured. And while we're baking, I'm doing my brows, and as usual I did clean them up, but this time I did a shade that was closer to my foundation tone instead of doing something that was too bright. That way we can keep the eye more on the natural and effortless side instead of it reading too glam, just so that we stay true to the campaign photos. And then for blush, I'm doing something close to the tone that Selena's using for that campaign, and it seems to be something more on the coral tone, kind of like a burnt orange color. So I found this blush in my collection from the brand Note. I got it in my BoxyCharm a while back, and it was exactly what I was looking for. After that, we're brushing away that bake, and we can do all of it since we're not doing a bold color on the eyes. And then we're gonna zoom in a little bit closer to get a close look to the eyes. Okay, so now here I actually made a mistake, and I forgot to start with the eyeshadow first, and I actually got too excited and I started sketching the eyeliner first, but just know you do have to do some eyeshadow, so we're gonna start with that. And she has a beautiful like light shimmer on her eyes, and I thought this Natasha Denona palette had the perfect shades that I wanted. So first I'm gonna go in with the shade called Blend, and I'm gonna add that to the entire lid up to the crease and blend that out. I don't have to be perfect with this because it's supposed to be a really soft and effortless shade all across the eye. And also because, I mean, the majority of your crease is going to get covered anyways by that eyeliner, so we're good to do just a soft blend for this. And we're adding that shade to the lower lash line too. And once it's set in place, I'm gonna go in with my fingers and I'm gonna add these inner corner shades all over my lid. And I just loved that sparkle. It looked super pretty. And now that we have the eyeshadow in place, we can start sketching our eyeliner design. I did this using my brow pencil first, and I'm gonna start to where I want that wing to go. More specifically, how high I wanted that wing to go, because that was also gonna tell me where the top line was gonna end. And then looking straight into a mirror, I marked where the top line was going to start. If you look straight ahead, it's gonna start right where your eye starts, and it's gonna follow your crease until about, say, about a quarter of an inch from the end of that wing, so they're not touching each other. These lines are gonna be your guide for that graphic eyeliner look. And once you're happy with your sketching, with the positioning of that, I'm taking a black gel eyeliner and start to make them thicker and more pronounced. On the top lash line, you're just doing a normal winged eyeliner, just a little bit more on the thicker side and not as sharp, because she doesn't have too sharp of a wing. And then for the top curved line, just make sure that the bottom of that line is nice and clean and that it thickens out and it smokes out going upwards. You want to keep that lid clean. And I did use a little bit of liquid liner afterwards too, just because it's got a lot of pigment in it, and it, of course, it glides easier. And then using a squared small brush, I'm going in with some black eyeshadow to smoke out that liner. I'm doing that for both lines. And I do apologize, my battery died and I didn't realize that I wasn't recording for the second eye. But once my graphic liner is done on both lids, we're gonna move on to the lower lash lines, starting with the waterlines. And then we're gonna run that black gel eyeliner too all over the lower lash line and really smoke it out with a brush. And also just making sure that the outer corner connects smoothly with your wing. And repeat that on the other side. And after that, we're gonna do mascara on the lower lashes. And for this, we're gonna do a more natural lash. I'm doing a pair of ARDELL Wispies since Selena doesn't have a huge lash for this campaign. And then for lips, she's using a nude color close to that blush color that we used earlier. So I found this MAC lipstick in my collection close to what I wanted. It's in the shade Down to an Art. So I used that and a little bit of my Floss clear gloss to give the lip a little bit more shine, not too much. And with the lip set in place, this was the final result. This is me recreating Selena Gomez's look for her Rare Beauty campaign done by makeup artist Vango. Such a simple but really cool look, and I love how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts in that comment section down below and give it a like if you did like it. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Be part of this small beauty loving, makeup loving community that I'm trying to build here on YouTube. I hope you're having a wonderful day. As always, take care, and hopefully I will see you here on the next one. Bye guys.